Okay, that's him. He's supposed to be shy on camera, but I don't think so. Are you shy on camera?
Yeah.
Okay, that's my husband John, and you guys have been asking us to make family vlog, and here you are. That's our first vlog. We are trying our best to make it like as fun as possible, but the funny guy is here. You have something to say?
Hi.
Here is John hiding with an apple cider vinegar. Show me. Look, this is what John drink. What do you do? You add, what do you do?
One whole lemon in a big water bottle with a couple teaspoons of this, and voila.
Yeah, John used to be very big, and
Not
look
big,
at him now.
fat.
Okay, so fat.
Very fat.
And very fat.
I was
and
343. Not one bike ride.
I know. How many?
15 months I've been riding, cycling.
Yeah, can't believe. Look
Went
at
from
him.
343 to 186.
Apple cider vinegar is another good thing. And also I
Good
came
fat
for
burger.
for some shopping. Look what I got. Yeah. Some peanut butter ice cream.
This is Laila's version of the fat burger.
Yeah, and then some whipped topping cream cheese. This one is chive. Yes, I never tried them. And this one is roasted red pepper and garlic spread on the bread. And I also got pure almond extract, my favorites. Oops. And halal plain yogurt. He just said he lost weight, right?
Right.
And now he's looking for an XL.
But that's way too big.
Yeah, that's too big. So
yeah, they don't have it. Let's go.
So last year we had how many? We have 2 roses over there. I don't want to go outside because I'm still with pyjama. So he's planning of removing this plant right here, right?
Already removed it.
Yeah, he already removed it. And what about the other one?
Planning on taking all of them out and then putting just grass.
Just grass. What if you keep those one gonna come back? Like so 1, 2, 3, 4. Those first 2 are roses, right?
So I'm gonna take this out and then just leave 1, 2, 3 so it's spaced.
Okay.
Or take everything out, just put grass. Okay.
No. I think you should. Flower gonna look so pretty. And
yeah, but don't forget, I'm gonna put 3 more slabs here. So you're gonna put a planter, and then all grass. It's gonna look pretty.
What are you
grass
vaping?
is coming up to here. These rocks are getting out of here.
What are you vaping?
Cookie butter.
Cookie. So John used to smoke, and he uses vape just to quit his smoking, and he did quit his smoking
5 years ago.
But he is now addicted with vape, which is just like fruit juice or cake flavor or something. So yeah, we are getting new grass for the yard, for the front yard soon. Guys, we are going on a trip, not a trip, but just like just shopping. But look at the road.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
Okay, that's the GPS. We are going on the mountain, guys. It's gonna look beautiful summertime when all these trees grow up. But that was too close. I know, but it's beautiful. So John is staying in the car. He's just not feeling like doing some shopping today. So yeah, it's just me right now shopping. I love shopping. John normally he loves shopping too, but today he's just feeling a little tired walking this morning, removing all those plants. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you along with my shopping, and let's see if I find something. Oh, actually I like this one. This is $9.99. I This is cool. I'm getting this. I'm grabbing it. Oops. I find another one. Also $9.99. Okay, so I'm gonna take both of them and then I'll make up my mind after. Oops. Also $9.99, but that one is a no. What about this one? $16.99. No. Oh, I love this kind of things. Crystal. I just love crystal. $24.99. Should I get it? This is so beautiful. Should I get it? Okay, I don't know yet. My favorites are at all time. Anytime I come to this store, I have to come to this kitchen tools area. Ice cream scoop. Actually, I do have ice cream scoop, so there's no need for things that I don't need. And you guys, when I use measurement, this is what you have to get. So it's a set of measuring a spoon. So quarter teaspoon, 1.25 ml, and this is a set of up to 1 tablespoon. So yeah, if you guys see that, just grab it. It's more easier. And also for cups, this one has a set, and also the cups you guys always ask for questions about cups. So here you are, quarter cup, 59 ml, and it's all written here on this. Back home, and this is a view. Look at this. That's not a mountain, but it just looks like a mountain. So just a hill. Here is John.
Hi.
Okay, so now on the way home, I'm gonna have a chance to show you guys a view, which is so beautiful, and it's just amazing. I love it.
We're on our way back now from our shopping trip. Coming down from the top of the mountains, back down into the city.
So fun driving over here.
There's the view of the city down there. A lot of windy roads. Beautiful properties and houses.
Alright, so we are back home, and let me show you what did I get. Okay, so I got a icing spatula, which I needed another one. Yes, a silicone spatula, and you guys remember this one came home with me. I ran out of coffee, and I can't live without having coffee, and I love Tim Horton coffee. Even though after suhoor, for fasting, after fasting in the morning, after my sehri or suhoor, I have to have my coffee, or my day does not go as well. I need to have energy, and the caffeine give me lots of energy. And also I'm changing my curtains, so I just got this. Let's see if this is real. Total blackout. So sunblock curtain in light gray, kind of a silver metallic-y, like that. So so let's see, 52 by 90 inch, and I got 2-pack. Let's see if I need 1 or 2. And also I received my package from Sephora. I was So excited for that. So that's a sample that I got. Foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Looks like this is something new. We'll try that later. Maybe this will be my shade, or I don't know. It all looks a little bit. Let's see. We'll see that after. And so they give you 2 samples when you buy stuff at Sephora. Always pick 2 samples, but I did pick both of them was perfume, but I don't know why they give me foundation instead. Maybe they ran out of the sample. So yeah, this is a new one from Gucci. I also want to try that. And the actual purchase that I got is the perfect Marc Jacobs Intense Eau de Toilette. I had a sample from Sephora of this perfume, and it is so good. It just lasts forever. And you are coming here. That looks beautiful.